The date is the 18th of May 2025. The time is now 4:44 AM, and I've just come outside because something supernatural. I've just this second finished my video, and it's uploading now, about the supernatural plane over my house in Chelmsford, where the branch office of Jehovah's Witnesses are. It's all connected up with the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. But what happens is, I probably won't do it now, that light's on. It's still relatively dark, really. The camera's showing it up. Now that's not going off. Now that's not going off. Now that's going off, not going off. Now that one's not going off. Now this one's on, right? And that one's on. Don't say this is going to go on now. No, it's not. Whether it's the light, I don't know, but all the lights are on out here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's a raven up there. Oh dear, harbinger of death. A rook or a crow. Anyway, this one didn't come on when I went near it. I don't know whether about these ones down here. Yeah, these are all right. All these three come on. Look, 1, 2, 3. Might be just the lighter. Hang on. That didn't come on, did it? What? That's gone on. That's gone on again now. That's off. That's off. Could be just the light. I don't know. Maybe it thinks it's light anyway. Right. See, that one's going off. That's the same light as that one. Sure, they're made in the same way. Why is that light on the log cabin going off? And there's only that one there. That's the same light as that one, and that one, and that one. But they're not going off. I'll give up. Oh no, it's that supernatural smell again. Oh my God. He is doing the supernatural. Oh my God, it's that smell again. That strange smell I described in my video once. Look. That one's not now going off. And now that one's going on. What is going on? Oh my God, it's that beautiful smell again. I love this smell. I can't even, in my last video, one of my videos, I can't even describe what it is. Oh dear, yeah, it's definitely there again. Oh look, harbinger of death again, goes right over my house. What is that? I don't know whether that was looked like a seagull. I don't know what that was. Yeah, it's definitely supernatural. I can assure you. If he was here now, Trish smelt it the other day, slight one. Yeah, I can smell it. I can smell it. I've only ever smelt it once before. It's an undescribable smell that I've never smelt on this planet Earth before. You can't even describe what it's like. It's like a supernatural smell. It's not pollution. Yeah, Jehovah's nobbled these lights, look. That one's on. That's the same light there. See, I bought them in the same pack. Oh, that smell. Honestly, I cannot. That is Jehovah's way of saying what Jehovah does. If you get a miracle, which you think's a miracle, and you're not quite sure because you don't know whether it's light enough to trigger these lights off, then he'll do a second miracle every single time. Oh yes, supernatural smell, definitely. You see, that's the same light And that's the same light. And that one is exactly the same light. As I say, I went up to get my phone. All these lights are on, right? Every single one. Came to this one on the shed and it was off. Right, that's the only one on now. If we walk around these. That one's off. Oh my God, that smell. I can't get over it. I love it. It's almost like a musky perfume. I don't know. It's not even that. I don't know. I mean, it's got to be supernatural if you can't describe what it smells like, similar to. It's nothing I've ever smelled in my life. What is it? It's filling the air. Right. That light's off. That light's off. That light. Is this going to come on again? No, look. It's staying off this time. And that was the only one on the log cabin. These down the passageway. That one's come on. Look. That's a different make, that one. That one is the same as that one. And now that's gone. You see what I mean? That's gone off. And it's not coming back on. Well, that's proof, isn't it? Supernatural, that. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely is. There's no sun out. It's cloudy. It's the same light everywhere. You saw that for yourself. Oh, yeah. I could start here all morning smelling that. Yeah, it's like I've got another video just like it, and it's exactly the same smell. That's not a coincidence, is it? When I come out in there, I think the lights are playing up. I wasn't sure at first if it was supernatural or not, but it is 100% sure. While my best proof of supernatural has just gone up, uploading. It should be uploaded now. I left it while I made a cup of tea. Literally. Is that gone off now? Is that working? Yep, that one's still working. They've all gone off now. What about down this passageway again? Nope. They've gone dead. See? Well, perhaps Mr. MBB333, his YouTube channel, will one day see this video and he'll probably confirm it. I've just heard a click. Something clicked round here. That's another third sign, a miracle. That's not a click because it's hot, because it's cold now. I just literally, I don't know whether you'll hear it on here, but I heard a click somewhere down the passageway. I'm going to make a cup of tea in a minute. I just boiled the kettle, but yeah, I have no idea what that smells like. I mean, normally you can, if you smell something, you say, oh, it's like this perfume or that perfume, or a smell of this and that and the other, but this is weird. I had this in my other video. I had the smell of smoke in the last but one video. Smell of smoke, like wood smoke, and then it turned to like acrid smell. This was at 11 p.m. 3 minutes past 11 p.m. Ridiculous. The amount of stuff, supernatural stuff I've got, that nothing surprised me anyway. Yeah, I'm not making this up. It's in the air, everywhere. It's almost got like a sweet smell of marzipan. I don't know whether you've ever smelt marzipan. Not aniseed smell, just a... Oh no, there's a dove. I think that's a wood pigeon or a collar dove. I think it's a wood pigeon, but it's part of the dove family. That's Jehovah's sign of peace towards Jehovah's Witnesses. It's to show that peace is going to come. I can hear the ravens, harbinger of death. I just don't want to... No, is it marzipan smell? Bloody amazing, that smell. I wish we had smelly video like you. You just have to believe me, because I'm not lying. I never lie. I haven't lied since 32 years ago, 30 years ago, over 30 years ago. Not capable of lying. That's what it said in the Bible about Jehovah. Now we've got a wood pigeon calling, or a collar dove. Get mixed up. Oh, I don't want to go in. It's almost like, oh, it's not mesmerizing. What is? It's like, I don't know. It's like you're on a, well, they say an LSD trip, drug trip and that, but yeah, it's really weird. I don't want to go in. It's so nice, the smell. Yeah, it's you just, there's no way of describing it. I don't know what it smells like. If you was here, somebody, I don't think they'd describe what it is, what it smells like. It's not anything on this planet I've ever smelt in my life. In that I'm 58 now, and never smelt out like that. Very strange smell. Just when I was talking about the lights going funny, Jehovah confirms it with another miracle, and then the click sound. There's definitely a click over there. It's been happening all the last. Well, I've heard clicks before, but I never associated it with angels. But they are tapping on my computer and on the kitchen. I don't know where it's coming from and what's making the noise, but the angels are making noises in here. They're doing something. It's not just normal creaking, because it's not even hot here in my bedroom. It's quite cool. Right, I'm going to give this get me tea now. Cup of tea. Yep. All right. Bye for now.